Okay, March 2021 visit. So there's been some small progress on the apartment. Well, I wouldn't say small, it is significant, but I mean small in comparison to the whole scope of the project. I mean, it's just finishing up. Not much has changed in the bedrooms or bathrooms, but we can give a quick look here, you know, that they're still there. Bedroom is still there, you know, but we're still waiting on the closet here. We got the window treatments, got the curtains done, so I'll make a video on curtains and balcony glass. So yeah, we have curtains here. Then in the living room, we got the bookshelf. I guess this is a big milestone. It's the first of 3 cabinets. Now, then we'll get the cabinets in the entry and the cabinet in the bedroom. So yeah, really, there's not much else going on. You know, now it's just finishing up. We get CAD drawings done, you know, for the closets, you know, and then the fit here and here to optimize the space, and then we will start installing those in the spring. And I think also the air conditioner. It's now time to start thinking about the air conditioner. This is March, so I think, yeah, this is about the right time to start looking into it, and then maybe April, May, get it installed before the summer hits hard in July, August, September. It gets really hot here in those months. So even in October, it can be quite warm. So, you know, but yeah, that's about all we have, you know. So yeah, everything is coming along. If you're interested in design and build services, drop me a line, you know, in the comments, or, I think you can email me through the YouTube. You can find my email in the About section and give me an email, and more than glad to talk to you about what's involved here. Many skilled trades coming together. I can say that it's a concert, and this is quite a remarkable achievement to get all this done working remote and during the pandemic. I mean, I've had very little hands-on involvement. I've only made visits. So I've been communicating with Yarina, the project manager, through Viber and emails, and you know, it's really come along. Everything has come along. If you look at the early videos when this was just an empty shell, boy, you would be amazed. You would really be amazed at how everything has come along. I also noticed that the curtains are kind of absorbing the sound. It's creating better acoustics. We're not having the echoing. You know, there was like a lot of echoing in the room, but the curtains and the fabric actually have taken care of that. So I think curtains are, you know, that was a very big and remarkable achievement. They were supposed to come last time, but we got hit with a snowstorm. But I think, as you can see outside, the weather is starting to come around a little bit, you know, so yeah, you can see through the opaque screen that we're getting some improvements in the weather. But yeah, if you have any questions or comments, like I said, drop me a line, and more than happy to talk to you. I think you can find my contact information in the About section, or you can just leave a comment, and I'll get in touch with you and answer your questions. So yeah, everything is coming along. Everything is getting in order. And thank you, and give us a like and subscribe.